How would you feel if you got paid from every single YouTube short that you uploaded? No, I'm not talking about the 8 cents for 1,000 views that YouTube's gonna pay you through YouTube Shorts monetization, because at the end of the day, if you get like 1 million views, that's only 80 bucks. Instead, I'm talking about making hundreds of dollars every single day passively just by uploading YouTube Shorts. Now, it might sound too good to be true, but this account's doing it, making hundreds of dollars a day, and this account's doing it also, and the same exact thing can happen to you if you simply implement the 4-step process I'm gonna share with you in this video. The first method for doing this is making sure that all the content that you're creating on YouTube Shorts is actually solving somebody's problem. So ideally, you're gonna wanna look for things that people are searching for within your niche, like how to do something, or where to come up with something, or where to find something, or how to fix something. And then from there, you're gonna create tons of content about that. But that isn't how you're gonna turn that into passive income. Instead, what you need to do is at the end of each and every one of those videos, you need to then create a new problem for your viewer that you're gonna sell a product, a service, or a solution for. And the way that you're going to do that is by adding a related video, and that related video is going to be a sales letter. It's going to be in a video format, but ideally what it's going to be is you pitching the product or service. And the way that you're going to do this is in one of two methods. Either first, you could become an affiliate for a product or service within your niche that's going to solve the problems that your viewers have. For example, there are a lot of creators out there that will tell you that building an email list is the most important thing that you can do as a creator. And then if you go look at the description of their video or the product that they're talking about in that video, guess what? I bet that they're selling an email service. And here's the magic of this. If they get you to sign up for an email service, one, it's incredibly sticky. Nobody really switches email services because once you have all your emails set up, it's really hard to be able to change. But secondly, and most importantly, this is going to be recurring revenue. You're going to be paying every month for that. And guess what? The creator that referred you or was the affiliate for that, guess what ends up happening? They end up getting paid every month too. So now as a result, you continue to get paid in the future for work that you've done in the past. And on top of that, those YouTube Shorts continue to get views because people are searching for things on YouTube 24/7, 365. In fact, search is the easiest way for you to be able to get views on YouTube for a few reasons. One, there's not a lot of large accounts that have figured this out yet. So this is an opportunity for small channels to make a lot of money on YouTube because those large accounts aren't creating shorts that are ranking for search. So as a result, as a small creator, this is a great opportunity for you to be able to look up good search terms, create content for it, and then be able to sell other people's products through an affiliate link. And remember, this is truly passive income. You don't have to answer sales calls. You don't have to do customer service. You don't have to worry about billing or taxes or anything like that. I mean, you will have to worry about taxes when the company ends up paying you, but you won't have to worry about that for the people that have signed up and things like that. And you don't have to deal with the customer service inquiries. Instead, you're gonna get paid 20 to 40% every single month of how much money that company made, and this is a no-brainer for you. The second way to accomplish this is by taking advantage of the build once, sell forever method. And if you don't know what this is, essentially what you're gonna do is you're gonna build a digital product, or you're going to build a course. One time, you put in that effort, you put in that work, and then you can sell it an unlimited amount of times. I mean, think about it. If you were out there building pools, you would have to build a new pool every time. Or if you were building cars, you would have to build a new car every time. But if you're selling a digital product or you're selling a course, you only create it once, and then you can sell it thousands or even tens of thousands of times. To help you do this, I want to thank today's video sponsor, Teachable. Teachable makes it easier than ever before for you to be able to today build a website, upload a course, begin collecting payments, and start monetizing your audience literally today. I mean, you could be set up in the next hour and begin collecting payments and making money from your audience. Best of all, if you sign up today with code Robert 1 month free 2023, they're going to give you 30 days free access to Teachable's Pro plan. Now, my 3 favorite ways for you to be able to monetize with Teachable right now today are 1, going to be building a digital download, 2, building a course, or 3, building a membership site. Because I can guarantee you that no matter what niche you're in, you have an audience that would love to be part of a membership of like people, or get a digital download that solves their problem, or a course that walks them through exactly how to get what they want out of creating content on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and sign up today. You could literally start monetizing your audience today for free. And the best part about this is that after you do the upfront work, you don't have to continue selling. Why? Because you've already created this product and now all you have to do is keep uploading shorts, and those shorts are gonna continue to grow on themselves. I mean, the more that you post on YouTube Shorts, and there have been so many studies on this, but the more that you post on YouTube Shorts, the more views you end up getting, and the more views you end up getting on your past shorts, especially if you use the two ways to promote either an affiliate link or your own product that you've made with Teachable that I'm about to share with you. But I will warn you, if you're not using these two methods to be able to promote these products or promote affiliate links, it's going to tank the amount of money that you're able to make, and it might not make the income passive. The first way that you can end up promoting the products is by creating shorts that solve people's problems, ranking for search, and then adding that related video that is that video sales letter. And essentially, the format that you want your video sales letter to be is going to be a 3-stage format. The first thing is going to be really highlighting the problem that they have or the pain that they're feeling. The second thing you want to do is future pace. You want to be able to show them what they're going to get after they get your affiliate link, or they get your digital download, or they get your course, or they join the membership. And then from there, you want to pitch them, and you want to make this a no-brainer for them. In fact, it should be a no-brainer because it's going to solve their problem. If you use that 3-step formula, guarantee that you're going to get a lot of sales through this because it's really a no-brainer. I mean, think about it. You're going to be telling them all about the problem. You're going to be relating to them. You're then going to be getting them to dream about how much better their life would be if that problem was simply solved, and then boom, you offer them the solution, and as a result, they're going to sign up on the spot, and you're going to be able to make passive income. But there is one other way that you need to make sure that you're promoting this. Because without a consistent format within your content, nobody's ever going to sign up for anything that you do. I mean, what do you think this creator right here and this creator both have in common? If you look at both of their content, although they're in drastically different niches, the formats that they use seem to repeat themselves over and over again. And there's a very good reason for this. I mean, look at any big YouTuber on the platform, and I bet that you're going to find the same thing. If you look at podcasts, they typically do the same thing over and over again. There's just a different guest. If you look at Mr. Beast, he does the same format over and over again. If you look at any successful YouTuber or any successful content creator or even any successful business, essentially what they did is they figured out a system, they figured out a format, and then they continue to do it over and over and over again and just keep upping the stakes. And at the end of the day, this is going to ensure 3 things. 1, that you're not spending too much time creating content. 2, that you guarantee that YouTube actually has an audience for your content, and that it's really easy for them to go and find you customers. 3rd, it's going to make it so that you continue to get views 24/7 so that you can earn money passively. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to be coming up with a new format or a new method for you to be able to sell the thing that you're selling. Instead, you want to be able to replicate it across a bunch of different searches or for a bunch of different video types. And at the end of the day, all you have to do is come up with a format that is going to be working. And the easiest way for you to be able to do that is to see what's working for other people. And you should be looking in 2 places. 1, you should look at your competitors within your niche, see what they're doing, and make sure that your product or solution is better and that the content you're creating provides more value to your audience and better answers their problems. But the second place that you can look is at other successful creators on YouTube. If you look at other successful creators and actually break down where they make their money, what kind of things they're promoting, or even how they pitch stuff, you're going to learn so much information. And being able to tie all of this together using something like Teachable or affiliate marketing to be able to build your own product or sell somebody else's product and then be able to market to people 24/7 by taking advantage of the fact that not a lot of large accounts are using YouTube Shorts yet, this is a massive opportunity for you to make passive income on YouTube right now. Now at this point, you have the exact method for how you go passive income on YouTube Shorts right now, but what you don't know is how to correctly upload a YouTube Short. In fact, I'm willing to bet that you're uploading them the wrong way. So what are you waiting for? Watch this video right here. It's gonna share with you exactly how to upload YouTube Shorts to maximize the amount of views you're getting right now.